Opening a trading account. To open a trading account with Exness, you should first register your own personal space on our website, which is called the Personal Area. To register a personal area, go to the registration page on exness.com. Enter your mobile phone number with your country code, email, and the password you wish to use to log into your personal area. Enter the activation codes sent to your mobile phone and email. After this step has been completed, your personal area will have been created. To continue with registration, enter your general information and read and accept all legal documents. After that, choose one of the security types. Depending on the security type you choose, you will get a verification code via SMS or email every time you withdraw funds or change certain settings in your personal area. Next, set up a secret word using a combination of 6 to 10 English letters and numbers. You will need the secret word when contacting our support team. It cannot be changed or restored, so make sure you save it. Finally, enter your personal information and fill in your residential address. Now, choose the trading platform you would like to open an account for and click the plus sign. Choose the account type and select the maximum leverage and currency for your account. Enter your trading password, which will be used for trading on the platform, and investor password that others can use to access the platform to evaluate your trading. That's it. Your trading account has now been created. The next steps are to verify your identity and address by uploading supporting documents, deposit funds, and start trading. Thank you for choosing Exness.
Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we are going to show you how to fully verify your Exness profile with desktop browsers. To begin, log into your personal area on our website. Click Become a Real Trader to begin verifying your profile. First, verify your email address by clicking Send me a code. Then enter the code and click Continue. Next, verify your phone number by entering it. Then select whether you'd like an SMS or call, and click Send me a code. Enter the code and click Continue to complete verifying your phone number. Now enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and address. Click Continue to complete this step. You'll be greeted with a confirmation message that you can now deposit funds. You can click Deposit Now to deposit funds, or click Complete Verification to complete verifying your profile. If you choose to deposit, you can go back to account verification later by clicking on the Complete Verification icon on the home page. The next stage of verifying your Exness profile is completing the economic profile. The economic profile is merely a survey of your trading experience, but is required to unlock all the features of a fully verified trading account. Click Continue once this form is filled out. Before you proceed to submit your identity and address documents, you will be asked to check your name as entered during registration. It is important that the name on the account matches the documents submitted, and also the name on any payment accounts used in the future for deposits and withdrawals. Make necessary edits and click Upload Documents. Now it is time to submit your proof of identity document. First, select the country of issue for the identity document and the type of document you wish to submit. Depending on the type of document selected, instructions and requirements will be shown below. For the best chance at success, do follow the handy do's and don'ts listed here. Click Upload the document and find your digital copy to attach. Once attached, click Confirm and proceed to submit your identity documentation. Finally, it is time to submit your proof of residence documents. Please comply with the requirements and instructions shown when choosing which document to submit. Click Upload Proof of Residence document, and then Submit document to confirm. Congratulations! Your account status will be updated automatically to fully verified once your documents are successfully reviewed. Thank you for choosing Exness.